Hey guys, Chris here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the alternator in your Mercury Marquis. Now the reason for replacing it is, for one, it's old, and two, it's completely frozen. And I thought today I might show you guys how to replace one with common hand tools, which is a ratchet or a wrench and a breaker bar. And the socket I'm using is 10 millimeter. Or to get the alternator off, you're going to need to loosen up this belt tension, which is right here. And in order to do that, you gotta just use the breaker bar and slide it in right there. Now once you got your breaker bar in, you simply just want to turn it to the right and slide the belt off just like that. Now that you get the belt off, now you want to take off this 10mm nut, and that bolt just fell, and you want to pull off this connector piece right here. Now once you do that step, you want to loosen these two bolts right here. You can loosen them just a little, you don't have to go all the way, because the alternator is just sitting and resting on top of them. Then you can unscrew these bolts all the way, and you can tilt the alternator forward and pull it out. After you do that step, now you can just tilt the alternator forward and pull it out. See, now you can see what I'm talking about, how it wasn't moving. You see how this new one is moving freely. I can move with my hand, and you can see how this one is frozen and isn't moving at all, and it's kind of rusted bad inside, that you can tell. So that's why we're going to be replacing it today. Now after you do that step, now you can repeat the same process back, and you can tilt the alternator in, put it on these bolts and slide it in. Now you just screw down your bolts. Once you got all the bolts tightened down, all of the connected pieces where they're supposed to go, you want to turn the same breaker bar that you got to the right again and slide the belt up so you can put it on the pulley for the alternator. Then the job is done, and that is it. Hopefully I'll teach you guys something, how to put an alternator in your Grand Marquis or for a Crown Vic or weekend town car. Hopefully you find it helpful. If you did, please leave a like, comment any helpful tips in the future. Now if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. I am going to be posting more, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye.